virus-related assistance arrived from Kazakhstan, South Korea, Netherlands and Qatar to India amid the raging pandemic. A shipment of 5.6 million masks or respirators reached India as a part of global assistance from Kazakhstan. MEA spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said that it is a sign of growing the partnership between the two countries. Further deepening our strategic partnership, welcome shipment of over 5.6 million masks, respirators that arrived from Kazakhstan. Another consignment from Qatar carrying 200 oxygen concentrators, 40 ventilators and 4,300 remdesivir vials came to India to support in its fight against the devastating COVID-19 pandemic. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arindam Bagchi expressed gratitude towards Qatar government for lending a helping hand. Taking forward our deep-rooted friendship and multifaceted cooperation, grateful to H.H. Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, the Amir of the State of Qatar, and the Government of Qatar for the gift of 200 oxygen concentrators, 40 ventilators and 4,300 remdesivir vials. As several countries continue to assist India with essential medical supplies, South Korea also sent rapid testing kits to the hospitals in the country. Our continuing cooperation with the Republic of Korea welcomed the shipment of 10,000 rapid testing kits from the Republic of Korea that arrived today. Besides Qatar and South Korea, India also received aid from EU member states. An aircraft carrying a consignment of ventilators, remdesivir and other medical equipment arrived from Netherlands, Portugal and Germany. Arindam Bagchi acknowledged the medical supplies provided by the European countries. EU solidarity and cooperation continues. Aircraft arrives carrying 223 ventilators, 25,000 vials of remdesivir and other medical equipment from Germany, 30,000 vials of remdesivir from the Netherlands and 5,500 vials of remdesivir from Portugal. Value support of our partners. Meanwhile, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison said that the country is sending more medical equipment like ventilators and other essential supplies to India.
Another flight with medical supplies and equipment to support India took off from Sydney. The flight carried 1,056 ventilators, 60 oxygen concentrators and essential supplies. It adds to over 1,000 ventilators and 43 oxygen concentrators sent last week.
Scott Morrison also added that the temporary suspension on flights from India to Australia would end on May 14th at midnight and facilitated commercial flights by the Australian government will resume as promised. Several foreign countries like Russia, United States, United Kingdom, Poland, Qatar has continued to render medical supplies and other essential medicines to India amid the devastating crisis.